Welcome to the series of seminar video tutorials Germanische Heilkunde, by Dr. Ryke Geerd, MD. My name is Helmut Pilhar. I am the father of Olivia, and the lecturer appointed by Dr. Hamer on Germanische Heilkunde, theory. I am well known as a Hamer loyalist. My mandate given to me by Dr. Hamer is, to teach and pass on his legacy as faithfully and accurately as Dr. Hamer entrusted and taught it to me. The subject of Psychoses and Constellations is one of the most important discoveries of Germanische Heilkunde. However, this part is also very demanding and only suitable for students and interested people who are already well acquainted with the basics of Germanische Heilkunde. In this 7-in-1 tutorial bundle, you find the entire seminars about Psychoses and Constellations. The 7 seminars build step by step on each other, and should therefore be studied in the given order. Therefore, this seminar offer is only directed as a complete package to already GNM experienced students and interested people. Each tutorial consists of a video, an ebook, and audio. A brief description of the individual seminar tutorials. This seminar video is about the order of the conflict impacts in the territorial areas. In the territorial area, handedness and hormonal status play a significant role. But not the partner or mother-child side. The handedness is fixed at the first cell division of the fertilized egg, and cannot change. The hormone status, on the other hand, can change. For example, due to a territorial conflict, the right-handed girl becomes male. The right-handed boy, on the other hand, becomes female. Above this, there is the so-called night hop in the left-handers. The objective is to learn to understand why one girl gets her menarche already at the age of 9, but the other only at the age of 14. Why does a woman not get pregnant? What is the cause of manic depressive? ADD, ADHD, developmental retardation, behavioral issues. Learn more in the approximately 1.5-hour seminar video. The hormonal status. Is the patient male or female? At the moment of the conflict, there is association. And it makes a huge difference if the patient feels female or male. The aim of this seminar video is to understand that hormonal status is not something fixed, and that it can change. For example, by menopause, pregnancy, the pill. And what an enormous influence the hormone status has on our feelings, and thus on the sensation of our conflicts. You can learn more about this in the approximately 1-hour seminar video. The first conflict in the territorial area makes the right-handed female a tomboyish girl with straight shoulders. The right-handed boy, on the other hand, becomes female, with sloping shoulders. With the occurrence of the second conflict in the territorial area, the emotional but not the intellectual maturity stops. One remains childish, looks younger, babyface, and is also manic depressive, ADHD and ADD. The figure of the person already reveals a lot. This chapter points in the direction of interanimal language. Across species, one can recognize the alpha by the figure. The goal is to understand why a 10-year-old still behaves like a 6-year-old, and what can be done to be able to estimate the opposite better, by the physique. You can learn more about this in the 1-hour seminar video. With this tutorial, Orgasm and Ranking, we will learn how the orgasm works, objectively and discreetly. Including, what prevents an orgasm, and why the libido can dry up, in women or men. Topics such as homosexuality, frigidity, transsexuality, Oedipus, Electra, etc., are explained as well. Through territorial area conflicts, nature realizes the natural hierarchy, which is recognized across species. This chapter also explains the supersense of the different territorial area constellations, and how we can possibly solve them. There exists something like a patent solution. The objective is to better understand ourselves, our partner, homosexuality, etc., in and of themselves. For what purpose did nature set up the different territorial constellations? Learn more about orgasm and ranking in the approximately 1.5-hour seminar video. Dr. Hamer's Germanische Heilkunde not only explains how our bodies work, but also explains why we behave, think, and feel the way we do. The combination of two sensible biological special programs results in a biological supersense. This topic points in the direction of character explanation. The different constellations, such as Flyer, Postmortem, Casanova, nymphomaniac, choleric, mythomaniac, autistic, are explained by case studies. The objective is to understand why people are the way they are, and what can be done in certain circumstances. You'll learn more about this in the hour-and-a-half seminar video. Germanische Heilkunde by Dr.Hamer not only explains how our body works, it also explains why we feel, think, and behave the way we do. The combination of two sensible biological special programs results in a biological supersense. This topic points in the direction of character explanation. The various constellations such as asthma, stuttering, hearing voices, bulimia, lesbian, anorexia, washing compulsion, are explained with case studies. The objective is to understand why people are the way they are, and what we can do about it. Learn more about this in the approximately 1.5 hour seminar video. The combination of two sensible biological special programs furthermore results in a biological supersense. This theme points in the direction of character explanation. The various constellations like panic attacks, megalomania, paranoia, disorientation, waking coma, are explained by case studies. The aim is to understand why people are the way they are, and what we can do under certain circumstances. You can learn more about this in the approximately 1 hour educational video.